What is common among the great peoples mentioned in para first? Your answer is third. They work hard to alleviate the suffering of the downtrodden. Clear or not, my dear student? Your questions is 131 completed. Now 132 is your questions. How do you stand to gain when we condition our mind to do our best? First answer, we realize our full capability. Clear or not? Now you will be gain energy and you will be rest our mind. Clear or not? Read the following sentence. All successful people are committed to cousins. And second one is, if we can control our mind, it will serve as wonderfully. Now your answer is A is false and B is true. Clear or not, my dear student? Next one, which word is the most similar in the meaning to the word trademark used in the passage? Your answer is brand. Clear or not? Your answer is brand. Next one, which word is the most opposite in the meaning of the word wonderful? Your answer is wonderful is a opposite meaning is separate. Wonder means combines together and your opposite words is separate. Clear or not? Now you will be next question. Read now. Question number 136 to 150, selecting the most appropriate options. A teacher of class 3rd finds that some students understand the concept more clearly when they explain them orally. Okay, then learning style is visual because visual is a good method for teaching. Clear or not? Next questions. A teacher asks the student to read the text for information and create their own interpretations behind the literal travels. Which sub skills is she practicing in the class? Your answer is paraphrasing. Clear or not? You will be a teacher's and your student read a text for information and create their own interpretation behind the literal levels. Now this skill is known as paraphrasing. Clear or not? Storytelling and listening to story play an important role because stories are your stories. Your answer is third. Use many structure of grammar and help children to learn them. Clear or not, my dear student? Now your next question is, the teacher started a discussion with the student on the honesty. What is the teacher trying to achieve with this activity? Your answer is access student level of language and its uses. Second one is activate student attention. Now your answer is 4. Activate student previous knowledge. It means activated student gain previous knowledge. Clear or not? Next question. A child got admission to a new school. The teacher was surprised to see that she could speak 4 languages frequently but could not speak in English. She is a linguist. It means many languages you can understand but cannot speak in English. It's known as linguistic. Clear or not? Next one, a student of class 5th, while reading a chapter, finds some difficulty. An unfamiliar word is not able to get the meaning of those words. He should ask the teachers. Your answer. Clear or not? Now continue again, my dear student. A teacher of class 5th wishes to teach a complex language structure from the syllabus. She should use a grammar game with a focus on his complex structure. Now next, as per Noam's Chomsky theory, role of the language acoustic device LED help children to communicate actively in secondary language. Clear or not? Next one, which of the following statement is correct? Your answer is first, my dear student. Understood or not? Children come to school with a treasures of experience and their mother's tongues act like a resource in the learning language. It's so good. Okay, with the help of mother language they discuss our questions. Clear or not? The study of how words combine to form pairs, phrases, clear, combined to form clauses and clauses joined to make sentences known as. Your answer is collocations. Clear or not? Now next questions, next 5 questions you will be read now. English language has consonant sound 24. Next one, according to the National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005, English in India is a global language in a multi-intellectual countries. It's a global language. A teacher divides the class into small groups and asks them to discuss and present their views on safe environment. Students are free to plant and present their choice and creativity. The teachers is facilitating them as one require which approach method is following in the class. Your answer is constructive approach. Clear? Next one is a teacher of class 4th brought some interesting books and distributed them among the students. Then the said, today let's have fun and read these books for our pleasure. This reading is called intensive readings. Clear not? A 2.5 years old child picks up of siblings' books and look at the pictures tell a story. The children is amazing readers. Clear not? If you have any problem, all my dear student, then you will tell me. You will be comment on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe of the channels. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye dear.